What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Yo, I swear every time I upload, it's always snowing or something outside. Oh man. But yeah, anyways, today's video is one that I recorded like 2 years ago almost. And when I was editing it, like I legit made a list of like everything that was cringy or like that was bad. So I apologize for everything in advance, like the camera quality, like the autofocus, like the bad angles and whatnot. The list just keeps going on. But like I have a couple of those videos. I think they're kind of like good, so I'm gonna put them out still. But the quality might not be the best. But yeah, I think I'll like mention it every time before I release those videos, so like you can lower your expectations a little bit because it's kind of shit, but like the content is good. It's good. But yeah, so this video is about the side signals and the reflector on the back of the car. It's kind of short, like straight to the point. But the next one is the one that you're gonna want to watch. It's about tinting your taillights. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now. Sorry, the car is kind of dirty from all the snow and stuff. But like, so yeah, this is after 2 years of tinting myself. You can see it's basically flawless. Just kind of dirty, you know, the normal, regular stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I got the pre-cuts from Blue Bat Overlays. And basically, I already did like half of the car. So the back of the back tail lights, the side mirror, you guys can see over there. This is tinted and then this is regular. So the tint is 55%. I didn't go too dark because I don't want to get pulled over or anything. Yeah, but basically I would suggest to start with these back reflector, and then this is for the side mirror. So I'm gonna show you guys how to work with it, and yeah. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna remove the mirror cap, and the way to do this is by basically you push the mirror like all the way here, and then you pop it out, and then there are clips that are holding the cap. So then you just push those clips out, and then the cap will come right off. So then you'll have more space to tuck in, and like it'll be easier to work with it. Alright guys, so now that the mirror cap is removed, as you guys can see, I vinyl wrapped it. If you guys want to see a video of that, click the link right here. So now like you see how much more space you have, right? To work with. So basically, make sure you clean the edges over here. There's gonna be a lot of dust here, so clean that up with some rubbing alcohol. Oh, and I forgot, you also want some type of heat source close to you. So I'm gonna be using this hair dryer right here. So basically before I start, I'm just gonna dry it up. And then you just take your film and then you just position it over. You see that's like a very tight fit, right? Like this is what I don't like with this like Blue Bat Overlays. Like it doesn't give you like a lot of material to work with, right? Like it only gives you like this much extra. So you have to be very like careful on how you first place it. And just lay it over, and then you can start working the air out. You're gonna notice that you won't even need a squeegee, but yeah, just use your thumb and then just take all the air out. So now comes those like indents that go in. So then basically what you want to do to help yourself with that is use a bit of heat and then lay the corner in first. So once you lay the corner in, you can take your squeegee and then start working everything flat. So I don't know how well you guys can see this, but basically what I'm doing here is just using the method of pre-stretch, is where I stretch like when the material is cold, and then when I put heat on it, the material will like come back to its original shape. But then when it comes back, it'll just like hug around the shape of the signal thingy. So then you'll be ensured that like it's not gonna pull back. Alright, so now I laid everything flat on it. So I'm just gonna finish up like with a quick like post heat. And then I'll cut the excess off, and then we'll be ready to put the mirror cap back on and move to the back. Alright, so now make sure you're using a sharp blade and just cut off the excess, and we should be good. and you are done. So this is what it looks like, guys. Even the sides over here, bottom, everything's perfect. So now let's move to the back. Alright guys, so now onto the rear reflector. So you guys can see that I already tinted half the car over there. You can see it's a bit darker than over here, which is what I wanted, not too dark. And I also did the reflector over there. You can't really tell for the reflector, but oh well. Yeah, anyways. Basically, to take off the reflector, you are going to want to take it off because it's going to be such a pain in the ass if you don't. So basically, you just go under the car and then you take your 10mm socket and then you just loosen that, and then there will be two clips. You just pinch them together and then you push it out, and that's how you take it off. And then you're going to put the tint on it, like on the reflector, like when the reflector is off the car, and then you just put it back and it should be good. But there is one trick to the reflector, and I will show you what it is. Alright guys, so here it is, the reflector. Here's the weird thing with this reflector. I don't know how well you guys can catch it, but basically I did not notice until I wrapped the other one over there. But basically, like, you guys can see that there's writing on this, and like it's not in the glass, it's like raising up from the glass. So this is gonna be quite a challenge. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it the proper way. Put it somewhere safe, and then you take your film and then you lay it over. Now if you guys make the same mistake as me and you just try to squeegee all the air out just like this, you're gonna see that air is still stuck like around the writing, right? And you don't want that. So here's the tip. Basically what you want to do is work like the edge, like work the place like where there's no like raised letters normally, like you would normally do it. And then when you get to the raised edge, right, you lift it up a bit, you take your heat gun, heat it up, and then when you're placing the vinyl over, you place it over and then you make sure you press down where the writing is, so then all the air will like escape, so then you will have like a flawless finish. So this is what it looks like when you press down on it with the heat, versus if you were just to just like apply it regularly, like it would just be like this. It would be like a huge bubble. So yeah, that's a good tip for you guys. So make sure to like the video if you guys like that tip, and yeah, just keep doing that for the rest of the reflector. So then once you're done all with the lettering, just like try to wrap it around. If you can't wrap it around, then just cut it on the edge. But yeah, now just put it back on. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next one for the other taillight tinting. So as you guys can see, here's a sneak peek. This one's all done. We just need to do this one and we should be good.